Good morning, boys and girls. So remember, words have a rhythm or a beat to them. Now listen to the words that I will say. Can you remember what we call the rhythm or the beat of a word? Call them syllables. The parts of the words, we call them syllables. So let's look at some words. Listen very carefully. This word is happy. Happy. Now listen, in each syllable there is one vowel sound. Hap has the A sound in it, and P has the E sound in it. Hap, E, happy. So two vowel sounds or two syllables. Listen to this next word. Ready? Yellow. Now, there are two syllables. What was the first vowel sound we heard in the word yellow? We heard the E sound. And what about the second syllable? O. Oh, so yellow, yellow. Two syllables or two beats. Our next word, listen very carefully, is beach. What vowel sound or sounds do we hear in this word? We hear the sound E, and that's the only vowel sound we hear, so there's only one vowel sound or one syllable in the word beach. Listen to the next word. Pumpkin. Let me say that again. Pumpkin. What's the first vowel sound we hear in the word? Pump, kin, I. So and I, two vowels in this word, two vowel sounds in this word, two syllables. Pumpkin. Listen to this next word. Alphabet. There were three syllables in this word. Can you guess how many vowels are in this word? Three. So let's listen carefully for the vowel sounds that we hear in that word. Al. What's the first vowel sound? A. Al. Fa. What's the second vowel sound we hear? And bet. What's the last vowel sound we hear? E. Very good. So let's look here. Can you see the vowels in this word? I've already divided it right down the middle. So the vowels in this word are A and E. Let's see if they make their vowel sound. So basket. So I have an A sound and an E sound. Basket. So I can divide it right between the two consonants in the middle. So watch here. You've got one vowel, and right after the vowel in the first syllable, you get two consonants, and then your second vowel. You need to divide the word right between the consonants that divide the vowels. So basket, basket. The two vowels we see are A and E, and the dividing consonants are S and K. That is right where we need to divide it. Okay, so let's look here. I'm going to cover the second syllable. Read the first part. What does it say? Bass. And what does the second syllable say? Get. Basket. Very good. Now we are going to work with some other words in the same way. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, I've already divided this word right down the middle. Now, can you say the first part? Very good. Pick. And what do we see here? Nick. Do you hear the two vowel sounds? What are they? I, or the letter I, I. So I in syllable 1, and what about syllable 2? I, or the letter I. So pick, nick. Now, what are the two dividing consonants in this word? C and N. So that is where we need to divide, is right between C and N. So pick, nick. What's the whole word? Picnic. Very good. 2 syllables or 2 beats because you have 2 vowel sounds. Okay. Okay, now, what about this word here? I've already divided it. Rab, very good, and bit. What are the 2 vowel sounds we hear in the 2 syllables? We hear the A sound, and we hear the I sound. What are the dividing consonants? B and B, so I divide it right between the 2 dividing consonants. Rabbit equals rabbit. All right, now look at this word. Now take the first syllable and read it. Very good. Up and set. What's the whole word? Upset. Now, what is the first vowel sound you hear in this word? And what's the second vowel sound you hear in the second syllable? Eh. What are the dividing consonants? P and S. So that is right where we need to divide this word. Upset. So whenever you see a longer word, you can look to see how many vowel sounds it has. And then look to see where the dividing consonants are. And there should be 2 that divide between the vowels. And you will divide it right there and then take 1 syllable at a time and read it. Upset. Upset. Okay, now this one, let's see if you can divide it into its syllables. Ready? What are the vowel sounds in these words, in this word? A and I. Or I. A and I. What are the dividing consonants? P and K. So I need to divide it right down the middle. Now read the first syllable. Very good. Nap. And now read the second syllable. Kin. Napkin. Very good. Okay, so where are the vowel sounds? The first one is I. The second one is E. Now, what are the dividing consonants? N and C. So let's divide the syllables right between N and C. So read the first syllable. Very good. Prin. And what is the second syllable? Remember, whenever there's an E, I, or Y after a C, it makes its S sound. So princess. Very good. Princess. 2 syllables, princess. And 2 vowels. Do you see that? All right. Now let's look at a few more words before finishing up. Okay. Okay, what are the 2 vowel sounds in this word? I and E. Now, where are the dividing syllables, the 2 syllables that separate the vowels? N and V. So let's divide it there. What does the first syllable say? Very good. In. And what does the second syllable say? Vent. In and vent equals invent. Very good. Thank you for working hard, and I will see you later.